I swear to you, I'll be there for you. But this is not a job.
Good morning or good night. Today is the 28th of October. I took one trade today. It was a break-even one. Here's the PNL. And yeah, let's get right into it. As we can see on the daily chart, we are clearly bullish. We've been all-time high for the past fucking 6 months. We have this huge new opening up. I'm thinking it's gonna stay open until the big news this week, FOMC. So, coming into the day, I didn't know, but I speculated that we're just still gonna continue going up, 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 with basically little to no retracement. So, normally I would probably wait for either this equilibrium or anything like that, but since I know this is probably gonna be filled on a larger move day with FOMC, because let's be honest, we're not going. How much? I can't do it. So yeah, I have to use this. We're not going 300 points with like no major news, especially in this market right now. So I actually took. Let's go back to the market open. Yeah, whatever. Just here works. Yeah, nice. Is this market open? Yeah, it is. Yeah, so I actually took the equilibrium of this range. Shit, wrong tool. My bad. I took the equilibrium of this range and I wanted to trade when we reach this. But after reviewing everything, I actually realized that it's probably not happening either with clearly bullish marketing. So I took another equilibrium. This was the equilibrium I was most happy about, especially that we had London lows below here and all those stacked lows. So would prefer longs from here. But like I said already, this is a huge move. I mean, 160 points is not huge, but for the recent market, bearish 160 points was a struggle for us. So I actually said, fuck it, I'm just gonna long off of anything in this range, anything around discount here, and we had the 15-minute overlapping FEG here. So I said, yeah, this is, if I want to do anything, this is most likely the play I want to pursue. So I waited, we swept all-time highs again, and we were just chopping. We tapped it, but since we had such a huge move up and we took this liquidity, I was like, it's not worth to take, and there's nothing today as well. So I just waited patiently. At this point, I thought, yeah, another day with no trading. But like I always do, I waited until 11. So I said maybe if we break the top, I'm not trading because there's nothing. I'm not gonna short now. If we stay in this range, I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna take anything. But if maybe we take the bottom and actually get the FEG properly and not a few ticks point, and not a few ticks tap, then I'm actually gonna be willing to long, because now look at this low resistance liquidity that we're generating. So I actually was happy to see that we started going down to it. We tapped it properly now. We can actually see we tapped the equilibrium of it as well. I preferred it to tap the equilibrium of the overall range, but we missed it. And we got the 2-minute inversion here, and I entered on that. That's actually a great thing to talk about, because this, would you call this an inverse or not? I personally entered, but this is like to the tick perfect close. Like this is, you see, this closed perfectly. So in my logical way, I would say yes, it did like inverse this because it closed on it like perfectly. But at the same time, I'm probably gonna wait for it to inverse properly like next time, like even a tick higher, you know what I mean? But yeah, I entered on this. I had my stop on the protected low because we had super nice SMTs here, and I just wanted, I knew because we were so choppy, I said I'm gonna go break even on this internal high. It's even less than 1 hour, but like it's super risky trade, especially in this chop. My target was all those stacked up recent relative equal highs. Probably could have targeted this or this, but this is a nice 2RR, perfect. I got break even actually in 2 candles, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, look, we took the break even. I trailed my stop to break even and instantly broke even. Bang. And look at this, we actually get stopped. So this is a proof that you have to have your rules set before you trade. In this case, it saved me. I only, instead of losing 2.5 bands, I lost like 150 bucks. Obviously, I'm risking more because I'm on Eval. But I was thinking, I already knew I'm not gonna take another trade in this because we're approaching 11 and I took my break even. But I was thinking maybe if we were creating even more SMTs because ES was trading higher. I was thinking that there's no way we don't take this, so the long should probably work out soon. And if there's any inversion CSID or anything like that, this 1 minute was super premium, so I was like, something has to like happen soon. And I was just tape reading, and I'm pretty sure there's a 3 minute sexy one. Yeah, this is the 3 minute. You didn't get it on this candle, didn't get it on this candle, but this candle you could have gotten it, you could have entered. This stop is super high. It's 2RR anyways, but I would probably have it like here and just aim for those highs again, 2RR again. But your break even here, and after I saw that you would have been broke even again. And here, as you can see, we're past 11, no trading for me, so even if I would have taken that, flat on the day anyways. So yeah, shit conditions. Look at this, today, that's today, let me exit as well. That, oh, we actually we delivered to my draw, but yeah, we would have stop lost again, so it doesn't matter. But shit market, as you can see, look how we are in the same range of 100 points. Like I said, most likely no trades in this condition, and I should have avoided. But I did my condition. If we sweep this, if we tap the gap, I might try longing. So I did. Didn't work out. Break even. It's all good. I just want to show one more thing. It's basically the same conditions as yesterday. Look at this. Like, just no point taking anything. The same way I didn't take anything yesterday and on Friday. It just not worth risking your capital in that. Something is gonna come soon, especially with FOMC soon. The Nvidia earnings are coming. The Microsoft earnings are coming, I'm pretty sure. And Trump is actually meeting with a Chinese president, so we should wait for that, and it should bring us some form of volatility. I'm hoping, I'm almost praying basically for us to dump a little bit, just at least to this gap. But I'm a perma bull. I love trading when we are down. So the fact that this is the biggest retracement we had past 6 months is super hard on my mental. I'm losing in this. I'm not like losing, but I just don't prefer it, you know. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I take a trade again. And remember, there's always someone down more. Don't give up. At least we're not down 350,000 this month, you know. If you know, we know. Here's the execution, obviously. Bye bye.